Unlock the secrets of ancient wisdom and prophetic philosophies. Journey with us into the timeless depths of ancient wisdom and profound philosophical insights that have guided humanity for millennia. These teachings hold invaluable lessons that remain pertinent to our modern lives, offering guidance, clarity, and a pathway to a deeper understanding of existence. In the annals of human history, ancient wisdom and prophetic philosophies have been cornerstones, transcending time and cultures to deliver universal truths. Shamanic teachings emphasize the interconnectedness of all life. The shaman, or spiritual healer, acts as a bridge between the physical and spiritual worlds, accessing deeper realms of consciousness. These traditions teach us to respect nature, recognize our place within it, and honor the energies that flow through all forms of existence. Parallel to shamanic wisdom, we find the philosophical ideologies of the ancients, such as Socrates, Confucius, and the Buddha. Socratic philosophy, rooted in critical thinking, teaches us the importance of questioning and seeking genuine knowledge. Confucianism, on the other hand, focuses on moral integrity and social harmony. Buddhism introduces the concept of mindfulness and impermanence. The juxtaposition of these different streams of thought presents us with a comprehensive toolkit for navigating the complexities of life. Embrace this knowledge and let it transform your life, fostering a balanced, aware, and enlightened existence.